I'm just going to walk you through step by step how to create a schedule for your Celebrate lighting system. So first you want to start with your selected device with this green line around it. That activates all of these buttons down here at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and we're going to just tap this schedule button or the calendar icon, and it brings you into this calendar view here. Now this device already has a few schedules already set up, but let's go ahead and just create a new one. So let's just say we're going to do it for today. We're going to go new event. We can give this event a name. Let's just say we'll just call them November 30th so that we know that it's today. We just want it to be so we can go tap on our day here, and we want it to start today. And for the timing, we want it to start, let's start it at dusk. So this is automatically going to come on with whatever time the sunset is. And then we want them to turn off at 11 p.m. So we're just going to tap this time here. We can go 11 p.m., tap away from it. Our preset, so this is going to be anywhere, pull from any presets within your personal preset library. So not that preset library that you can click that gives you all of those Celebrate customers ones that they've shared. You can add those by clicking download for those, but this is going to be in your personal library. So let's say we're just going to throw on candy cane. Now, if you were creating, as far as for priority, if you were creating a schedule that was daily, let's say something like pot lights, I would set this as low or medium low, so that anytime we come in and create a schedule for a special event, so a 1 day or a short period of time, we don't have to go back and manually change that daily preset. We can just make that special day maybe a little bit of a higher priority, and it'll override the low priority. So if we make this one medium high or we make it high, it's going to override anything else that we have set. And our repeat, so we want to tell it, well, how often is it going to come on? So when we click on does not repeat, we get does not repeat means it'll come on for tonight and tonight only. If we do daily, is it going to come on every day and it's going to end on never, so it'll be for infinity? Or is it going to end on a specific day? Weekly, we can pick, do we want it to come on what days of the week? And we can toggle these days on and off. And when do we want that weekly set to end on? Monthly, we can set it, say, on, on the Wednesday of every month, because today is Wednesday, or on the 30th of every month to come on. If you wanted that to be a different day, you would simply come up here and select a different day. So if you wanted the 1st of every month, you would just come in and say it's going to start on the 1st. And your annually, so every November 30th or every last Wednesday of November, the lights are going to come on to a certain, and what year do we want that to stop at? So we're just going to do this one for right now, as it does not repeat. We want it just as a special 1 day for tonight only. And then you would just click save. And then that would then save. I'm not going to save this one, but then you can see here, if we were to save it, it would show up in this list here. And you can look, so this one here was set. So it was created 2 days ago on the 28th. It's set to go on at dusk and shut off at 11. The lights are going to be orange because that's what's picked from that drop-down menu. And it's set for high priority, and that is going to repeat every day to end on never. And so if we come up here and we just save, then you can see that. So this one also is set for the same thing. It's going to be interesting to see what's going to come on between those two. So they're both set for high priority. And then we have another one that's just the same thing. So you can see here, you can see how all of these, and see how that start time changes. That is just changing with whatever the sunset is for that dusk timer. And that's how you create a scheduled event.